Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a popular debate, Vscode versus Android Studio. Both are powerful development environments, but they cater to different needs. We'll explore their core functionalities, discuss their strengths, and examine how they perform. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool aligns best with your specific development goals, whether you're building a simple script or a complex mobile application. Let's get started. Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is celebrated for its speed and efficiency. It's a lightweight editor that launches quickly, making it ideal for diverse coding tasks. Its strength lies in its incredible extensibility, with thousands of extensions available to tailor it for virtually any programming language or framework. This versatility allows developers to customize their environment extensively, supporting everything from web development to data science across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. It's a truly adaptable tool. Android Studio, on the other hand, is Google's official IDE, specifically engineered for Android application development. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including a powerful emulator for testing apps across various devices and versions. Developers benefit from its advanced debugging and performance profiling capabilities, which are crucial for optimizing mobile applications. Its integrated visual layout editor also streamlines the process of designing user interfaces, making it the go-to choice for dedicated Android developers. So, which one is better for you? If you prioritize a lightweight, highly customizable environment for various programming tasks or smaller projects, VS Code is an excellent choice. However, if your focus is solely on building robust Android applications, Android Studio's specialized tools and integrated ecosystem offer unparalleled support. Remember, Android Studio can be more resource-intensive, often requiring at least 8 GB of RAM. Your project's specific needs and your system's capabilities should guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.